Hello, my wonderful friends. You are welcome once again to my mathematics class. Today, we are going to look at how to add and subtract polynomials. If this is our first time to learn this topic, please pay attention because with these few examples, you'll be able to understand how to add and subtract polynomials. So please, I want you to pay adequate attention as you watch this video. After watching the video, please like this video and share it so that your friends and well-wishers can watch the same video as well. Do not forget to ask questions. Go to the comment section of this video if you have any question, to ask any question. Thank you once again. Now, to solve the first question, we have a1 plus a2. The polynomials have already been given to us. A1 is this, a2 is this, and a3 is this. Our duty is to add a1 and a2. To do that, let us write out a1. a1 is 2 plus x squared plus 3x cubed. Okay, so this is a1. Then a2 is this. Now, if you want to bring a2, open a bracket. Make sure you open a bracket. You can now bring in a2, which is 5 minus x plus 2x squared minus s cubed. You close the bracket. Why I told you to make sure you open a bracket before you bring in another polynomial is that, assuming this is negative, it will affect every sign we have here. Okay, that is why you must put brackets. Okay, having done this, next thing will be to open this bracket. Let us open this bracket. We have 2 plus x, okay, plus x squared plus 3s cubed, okay, plus, because of this addition sign, everything inside the bracket will remain the same. So we have 5 minus x plus 2x squared, then minus s cubed. Okay, having done that, next thing will be to collect like terms. What are the like terms here? We have 2 and we have 5. So 2 plus 5 will give us 10. Then we have x. We have another minus x here. So x minus s will give us 0. So x is gone. Then we go to x squared. We have x squared and we have 2s squared. They are the same. So x squared plus 2s squared will give us 3x squared. Then we go to s cubed. We have 3s cubed here. And then we have minus s cubed. 3s cubed minus s cubed will give us plus 2s cubed. And this becomes the answer to the first question. While doing this, you have to be very careful while collecting like terms. Please always be very careful so that you not omit any term. Okay. Let us now solve the second question, which says, the second question says a1 plus 2a2. Okay, let's write down a1. This is our a1 given to us as 2 plus x squared, okay, then plus 3s cubed. Okay, now plus a2 is multiplied by 2, so let's put down the 2 and open a bracket, then bring in a2, which is 5. Okay, this is a2 here. 5 minus x plus 2x squared, then minus s cubed. We close the bracket. So it means that this 2 is going to multiply everything inside the bracket. All of this will give us a2. So we have 2a2. 2 multiplies a2. So let's do that by multiplying everything by 2 here. So this will be 2 plus x squared plus 3s cubed plus 2 multiplied 5 is 10. 2 multiplied minus x will give us minus 2x 2 multiplied plus 2x squared will give us plus 4x squared. 2 multiplied minus x cubed will give us minus 2x cubed. Now, next stage, which is the final stage, is to collect like terms. So, to collect like terms, 2 and 10 are constant, so add them together, they will give you 12. Okay, so we have 12. X and minus 2x are like terms. Okay, so x minus 2x will give us minus x. Okay, then we have x squared. X squared plus 4x squared will give us plus 5x squared. Okay, then we have 3x cubed and minus 2x cubed. 3x cubed minus 2x cubed will give us plus x cubed, and this becomes the answer to the second question. So you see we have this is cube, sorry, this is not square. Okay, so this is cube. So we now have 12 minus s plus 5s squared plus s cubed. So this becomes the second answer. Now, having solved the first and the second question, let us now go to the last question. But before then, if you have any question, please, once again, do not forget to drop your question in the comment section. I will always be there to answer your question. Remember to share this video and like the video. Now let us solve the last question that says C, okay, 2a1 minus 3a3. Now let us pull down 2a1. We have 2 brackets. a1 is 2 plus x squared, okay, plus 3x cubed, bracket closes, then minus 3a3 is 3 bracket a3 is 2x cubed minus x squared minus x, then minus 1. We close the bracket. Okay, now let us open the bracket. Opening the bracket, 2 multiplied 2 is 4. 2 multiplied 2s will give us 2 multiplied s will give us 2x. 2 multiplied s squared will give us 2x squared. 2 multiplied 3s cubed will give us 6s cubed. Then let's go to this. We have minus 3 multiplied 2s cubed will give us minus 6s cubed. Okay, minus multiply minus here will be plus, so 3 multiplied s squared will give us 3x squared. Minus multiply minus here will give us plus. 3 multiply s will give us 3s. You see the reason why you have to be very careful while doing this. Then lastly, minus multiply this minus to give us plus. 3 multiply 1 will give us 3. Okay, we have successfully opened the brackets. Next thing will be to collect like terms. Please be careful while doing this. So now let's go. Collecting like terms, 4 and 3 are like terms. So 4 plus 3 is 7. 2x and 3x are like terms. Add them together, you will have 5x. Then 2x squared, 6s squared, and 3s squared are like terms. So 2s squared minus 6s squared is minus 4s squared. Minus 4s squared plus 3s squared is minus x squared. Then finally we go to 6s cubed. Let's see if we have any other term in s cubed. We don't have any other term in s cubed here. That means we put down plus 6s cubed. And this is the answer to the question. Thank you for watching this video. I believe after watching this video, you'll be able to understand how to add and subtract polynomials. Please do not forget to ask your questions if you have any question. And remember to share this video and like this video. Thank you once again and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.